Hello guys, my name is HungKai-C. This is my first tutorial video, and today I would like to talk about SLOG. Many people keep asking me how I color grade my footage, but before I talk about color grade, I think there's one thing you must know, and this is really important to let you get cinematic looks, which is your picture profile. Today I will focus on some benefit of LOG picture profile and something you need to pay attention. Finally, I will talk about two ways that you can color grade it. So let's begin. LOG is short for logarithmic, which is not only a mathematical curve, but also picture profile nowadays. It's quite common. Sony has SLOG, DJI has D-Log, Canon has C-Log, and it really helps a lot. But how? Today I won't go too deep about the mechanism of SLOG because everything will look like this. But if you really want to know the mechanism of SLOG, please leave a comment down below. Maybe I will do another tutorial video to explain how it works. But maybe. Anyways, today I will only focus on the benefit of LOG picture profile. So let's see some example first. At the left side, it was shoot by Rec 709, which is linear curve. And the right side was shoot by SLOG 3, which is log curve. And all of the settings are same. When you look at the bright side and the dark side, you can find out a huge difference between those. At the left side, it's totally blown out and you can't see any detail. However, SLOG obtains more details in the bright side and dark side. So, the benefit of LOG picture profile is it has more dynamic range and tonal range. But since it's lower contrast and saturation, the footage looks completely washed out and it's really hard to use. So you need to do a post-process to recover contrast, saturation, and even add some cinematic looks. The result of using LOG picture profile is incredible image quality with great tonal range and dynamic range. There are several picture profiles similar to LOG, for example, Cine, HLG, and the purpose are all the same, which is giving more dynamic and tonal range, and they all have their pros. There are still something you need to pay attention, which is exposure. I highly recommend you should overexpose to be able to get the best result when you color grade it. Trust me, I always set up my exposure to +2, and you can also use histogram or zebra line to help you control the exposure. Let's talk about wait a second. Finally, let's talk about color grade. You have two ways to color grade your footage. The first one is you can use some tools to color grade by yourself. For me, I use Color Finale, and this is a really awesome tool, but I won't teach you how to color grade by yourself today because it's quite complicated. So maybe leave the comment down below again if you want to learn, and I will do another tutorial video to explain how you can color grade by yourself. And the second one is you can use LUTs, which is lookup table. LUTs is quite convenient because you can color grade by yourself just in 1 second. And all of the cinematic vlogs you see in my channel is color graded by my original LUTs. But I think except the first and the second one because I don't know how to color grade at that time. Anyways, you can free download my cinematic LUTs or pay a little bit to get my LUT bundle, and I will put a link down below. Finally, I want to randomly pick up 10 subscribers from my channel to give them my cinematic LUTs for free. Just leave the comment down below, leave anything you want. I will randomly pick up 10 subscribers from those comments, and I will post the winner in my Instagram, so please make sure you already subscribe my channel and follow me on the Instagram. And everything is really clear today. Now you already have basic understanding about the benefit of LOG, which is dynamic and tonal range. Second, I talk about something you need to pay attention, which is exposure. Finally, I introduced two ways that you can color grade it. The first one is you can use some tool to color grade by yourself, and the second one is you can use LUTs. Finally, if you like my works, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Once again, my name is HungKai-C, and I hope you enjoy my tutorial video. And I think I will see you in my next video. Peace!